New York City recently endured a significant and truly impactful snowstorm, a relentless blizzard that brought the metropolis to a standstill. This colossal weather event blanketed the city in a pristine yet paralyzing layer of white, transforming our familiar urban landscape. The sheer magnitude of the storm drastically disrupted daily life for millions of residents, casting a shadow of uncertainty across all five boroughs. This video is brought to you by Bella Access. Please like, share, and subscribe. This monumental weather crisis began its unforgiving assault on February 25th, sweeping across the region with unprecedented force. For nearly 12 harrowing hours, the city was held captive by nature's fury, as the storm refused to relinquish its grip. It brought a relentless deluge of snow, accompanied by strong gale-force winds that howled through the skyscrapers. Frigid temperatures plummeted to dangerous lows, exacerbating the already dire conditions. Together, these elements created incredibly hazardous situations across every single one of our five boroughs. From Staten Island to the Bronx, residents faced a challenge unlike any in recent memory. The intensity of the snowfall was nothing short of extraordinary. These localized deluges led to truly catastrophic consequences for those living there. Reports indicate that some neighborhoods, particularly in the northern reaches of the city, received an astounding upwards of 28 inches of snow. This wasn't merely a heavy snowfall, it was a historic event, challenging the city's robust infrastructure to its absolute limits. Such an immense amount of snow falling in such a short period naturally led to widespread and severe problems across all sectors. The sheer volume of frozen precipitation created impassable roads, buried vehicles, and tested the resolve of every New Yorker. The city transformed into a labyrinth of snowdrifts, some towering several feet high. This accumulation triggered a cascade of issues from transportation paralysis to dangerous structural concerns. Public transportation, the lifeblood of New York City, experienced unprecedented levels of disruption. The intricate network of subways and buses, usually a beacon of reliability, succumbed to the storm's power. Commuters faced immediate and significant delays, stretching into agonizing hours for many. Tragically, numerous routes were forced into complete cancellation, leaving thousands stranded and isolated. Tracks became clogged with snow, and buses found themselves unable to navigate the treacherous streets. Roadways across the entire metropolitan area quickly became treacherous and overtly dangerous for any vehicle. Visibility plummeted to near zero, and the accumulation of snow and ice made driving a perilous endeavor. This led to a distressing surge in traffic incidents, stretching emergency services thin. Numerous accidents were reported across the city, from minor fender benders to more serious collisions. Many streets, vital arteries of our urban environment, were rendered completely impassable due to the sheer volume of snow. Side streets in particular disappeared under mountains of white, effectively cutting off neighborhoods. This isolation meant that critical services struggled to reach residents, amplifying the urgency of the situation. The dedicated teams of first responders worked tirelessly around the clock, battling the relentless onslaught of snow. Hundreds of plows and salt spreaders were deployed across the vast expanse of the city, their drivers facing grueling shifts. These critical machines were our front line in the battle to reclaim the streets and restore some semblance of normalcy. Every avenue, every boulevard was a new challenge in this Herculean effort. Despite the monumental scale of this deployment, the sheer volume of snowfall made cleanup a truly monumental and daunting challenge. It was a struggle against an endless tide where every cleared path seemed to be quickly recovered. The city grappled with an almost impossible task, demonstrating resilience in the face of overwhelming odds. The storm's fury also reached into the very fabric of daily life, profoundly impacting essential services. Power outages, a terrifying consequence of such severe weather, were reported in several neighborhoods across the city. These blackouts plunged homes and businesses into darkness, adding to the growing sense of emergency. Affected residents were left without heat and electricity, facing the bitter realities of a winter storm without modern comforts. These outages brought a new level of hardship, forcing families to huddle together for warmth. Emergency services, the unwavering guardians of our city, faced an unprecedented increase in demand. Police, fire, and ambulance crews found themselves responding to an alarming surge in weather-related incidents. Their heroism in navigating dangerous conditions to reach those in distress cannot be overstated. Every call was critical, every response a testament to their dedication in the face of overwhelming odds. From medical emergencies to stranded motorists, these brave individuals were stretched to their limits, working tirelessly to protect the public. In a necessary move to ensure public safety, all schools and non-essential businesses across the city were closed. On Monday, John 26th, schools were closed. Students enjoyed an unexpected break, though often confined indoors, while countless workers adjusted to remote work or an unexpected day off. Consequently, many residents were forced to stay indoors, confined to their homes for safety and warmth. Shelves at the stores were empty as the residents stocked up for the storm. This forced isolation underscored the storm's power, reminding everyone of the importance of preparedness and community solidarity during such trying times. The city truly hunkered down. Beyond the immediate disruptions, the storm's broader consequences unveiled an array of new and alarming hazards. The storm caused tragic incidents, including collapsed roofs on homes and commercial properties, and the fracturing fall of numerous trees. These events highlighted the destructive force of nature, reminding us of the hidden dangers lurking beneath the beautiful white blanket. Structural integrity became a serious concern. Frigid temperatures, a biting and inescapable reality, inexorably followed the snowfall, relentlessly exacerbating the already precarious situation. What had once been soft snow and slush quickly solidified into unforgiving, icy hazards across sidewalks and roads. The risk of slips, falls, and serious injury skyrocketed, prompting is imminent. For those without shelter, the combination of extreme cold, heavy snow, and limited access to resources presented a life-threatening crisis. Outreach teams were seen working tirelessly, against immense odds, to locate and assist these most vulnerable individuals. Their efforts were critical in preventing further tragedies, but the scale of the challenge was immense. The storm caused unprecedented damages across the city. Residents are advised to always take seriously the weather forecasts. It was a clear signal that the city was confronting this challenge head-on, deploying every possible asset to protect its residents. Emergency responders, public utility crews, and city workers continued their tireless efforts, battling the remnants of the storm. Residents are urged to continue exercising extreme caution as treacherous icy conditions persist and cleanup operations remain ongoing. The lessons learned from this historic blizzard will shape New York City's preparedness for years to come. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Bella Access